Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar did end up continuing down today. We did have a break of structure technically, but look how it broke structure. It almost instantly rejected structure, and that is actually normally a really good sign that the trend will just keep on continuing in its original direction. So I got it zoomed out a little bit because we do have big news tomorrow and we are approaching the 38%, and I do think this is possibly a wave C. So maybe we will get that reversal tomorrow with a nice break of structure at the news. So checking out the news calendar, first of all, we got some pound news in the morning, which probably will move things, but I would definitely expect the afternoon dollar news, the CPI inflation data, to be what the market's really going to be waiting for. They are predicting that inflation is going to be down a little bit, and lower inflation probably will lead to lower interest rates next week at the FOMC meeting on the 18th. So kind of an important day tomorrow for these inflation numbers, I think, to help make that decision next week on the interest rate. So anyways, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.